Okay. At 40th executive. Bigyan lang kayo ng 2 minutes. At pagpasok nyo sa starting gate, wala lang kutsika at kustos marunong yan. Okay? You have to get ready with your bike. Okay, man, are you ready? All right, man, around this let's run it out together. Okay, yeah. So, race boys. Take it away. Okay, we will wait for the green flag. Alright, green flag is out, ladies and gentlemen. In the morning, Pasig City. Let's go. This is not discussed. Okay. Ang papago na. Okay, right then is it. Let's on. Una naman ang Team Honda.
Ito si Joshua itong nakatar, no?
Okay, second race is McLaren from Team Honda Philippines. Para kay first, papago na panay ang Zero Sanson and Senji Tuya. And we'll see the level of Pamalas Island and the level of the island. Steve Maliego and car boy number 7 from Ikon on the 7th position. Okay. All the Philippines are leading the race. That is McLaren. At sinabot na yan ang numero 5. At Senji Sanson, followed by Senji Tuya. And Maliego. Right then, the level that is from Pamalas Island. That is Pamalas. Okay, lago na rin. Okay, last call, executive. Okay, yellow flag, Manila is down.
Sidasig
No,
pala.
Manila is down. Yellow flag.
Padaw. Banas.
Okay. Yellow flag is up. Alright. This is Thomas. McLaren still on the lead. Okay. Okay. Alright. That is Sanson, Team Sanson, followed by CJ Tuyan, and we have Maliego. So, Shikawa. This is Lopez. It's McLaren, Villacorta, Manila.
Sus, kalulupan na.
Okay, short is Gallego. What's up, Manila? Yeah, what's up? Manila? Bakit natin, McLaren Villacorta is leading the race. As you can see now, napakaganda ng technique ni Villacorta. Villacorta has out of control the throttle. Ang mahirap sa ganito dulas na race track brother coach, it's how you control the bike. Dahil napakadulas, pag medyo aggressive ka sa ganito, madudulas ka. And makikita mo si Villacorta is controlling the bike very well. And ito ay dahil sa kanyang napakagaling na coach si Joby Salvo of Honda Philippines. Yes, tama ka dyan, brother.
Wala na din magpapirti, ah.
So, at least, hindi tayo record na
Kasi yan ang taas ng banda ko na, oh.
Thank you.
Napag-iway na.
I hope that tuloy-tuloy na ito mga sa araw, partner, ang proper board speed. Brother Woods, kilala mo ba sino itong pangalawa para ma-introduce naman natin?
Ginalagas ka drone.
Ay, ito na. Executive 40. Okay. Lahat naman. Ang group Pilipinas ay nandito na sa starting gate. Hintayin na natin si Bukalo. Dexter Magkakap. Siyempre in charge yan sa starting gate. Siyempre yung race boss. Anyway guys, enjoy lang tayo. Kami ngayon. As you can see, Brother Portsky. Ganito pa lang si Papay Calera. Sa race na ngayon.
Napakadaming tao, Brother Bruce. Napakadaming mga tao. Kung gusto bumili ng merchandise mo, mga t-shirts na available tayo dyan sa Yamaha Motor Philippines din. Yamaha Motor Philippines. And also, tayong promo. Buy one, take one. So, solid promo yan sa lahat ng mga.
Okay, so meron tayong 5 and take one. Punta na yung team ng Yamaha. Partner, Brother Portsky.
Yeah. Matic na yun sa'yo. Automatic.
Yeah! Thank you, brother.
Mami, kaya natin. Si Sunset ba? Taga dito yan? Taga
Yes, yes.
Ayan, Villa Corta is Luzon and Palo. Sanson, second na po tayo makikita mo. And third,
Kinalagas sa drone mo.
Si King ito yung pala ito pangatlo.
mga Robis Riders natin dito.
Robis Rider. Brother Portsky. Yung tatlo. Kasi dito yan, panay. Puro panay riders lang yan. So,
Representing their hometown very well. Placing it na podium right now, kaya napakaganda ng karera.
okay, so we will wait for the executive. Itagpo na natin ang mga malalakas ng executive sa kalinyana na dito. Of course, Arnel. Itagpo natin. Is one of the office executive ng Luzon. Sa kapalasan ng aming biyaya doon ng Celtic. Anyway guys, we'll wait for wala pang pinagpan. Tagal,
Okay, attention, executive production from the app to the starting gate. All executive production from the app to the starting gate. PTCC to the waiting area. Attention, all Honda production. All Honda production, ready, prepare.
Partner in.
Yes, okay na na.
Kita mo drone?
Okay, so for executive production, for the up, 5 laps na tayo. 50cc area. Parang na may tingin.
Para auto.
Okay, salamat po tayo sa accommodation, RJL Inland. Maraming salamat po, Kapapag Racing for accommodation.
Kasunod, ang sa first pro, ang leading ngayon ay si McLaren Villa Corta, representing Honda Philippines of Manila. Second is James Sanson of Sala Iloilo, Panay Index. Number 5, Daniel Contepec, Vale Norteno, Sunji Hutera.
Ginalagas ka drone na mo tong number 1.
Native of Pavia, and fourth,
Ang first to ya mo tong ginalagas ka drone.
Manila Racing, Inos, also Panay Orange.
Okay, brother, we have to wait for the checkered. Kasi nag-wind down na, no? Already. Already ka, so we have to wait for the checkered. So, ano pa rin, and it's a breaking away. Nag-break away na po si Villa Corta ng Team Honda Philippines. And followed by one of the top caliber rider na Sana Philippines. Jason Son and Third Gallego Court. So, checkered flag is standing up. And executive party is now ready for
Ay, nag-winner doon.
their
Ala,
first meet.
second na pula. Second na pula.
So, we will wait for
Finish! Finish!
Honda and CJ in Kuya. Good at checker.
Third ka, no?
Congratulations. Grace.
Una tayo.
Good weather natin dito sa Pasig City. Okay? So, it's a blessed Saturday morning. So, time check na tayo guys, ha? Time check. Okay, it's 10:58 in the morning.
Na.
Okay.